What's up, guys? It's Evan C here from the Games Armory, and today we're going to be going over the Photo School achievement in Dead Rising 2 off the record, which is a remake of Dead Rising 2 with Case West, basically. It's just like a remake of it, kind of like Combat Evolved. But this achievement is going to be in basically the second level, is what I'm going to call it. It's right after you complete like the prologue for the game, and you're going to go into this room and find TK talking to a redhead ginger kid. And he's like, hey, you want me to do this thing for you? And he's like, yeah. So the ginger's like, okay, I'll do it. And then now this is when you learn that you can take pictures to earn PP, which is basically
What the hell are you up to,
XP, is how I'm going to explain it. It's basically XP. You can get level up and stuff like that. There's a lot of achievements that involve taking pictures of stuff, which is one I'll be doing later on for taking a picture of a poster. But basically that's what you're going to do is just aim it on them, take a picture. And the idea is to try to take a picture where they have those camera logos above their head, because those are the ones that are going to give you the most points for them. But the one you really are going to want to get is when they're walking over here and you're on that main platform, the main circle platform. You're going to want to get a good angle on them. You'll see me like realize that I'm in the wrong angle, and I'll run over there as soon as this picture ends. And I also recommend just taking as many pictures as you can possibly get during this part, because the more PP you get, the more XP you get. But, so you'll see this shot right now is when you're going to want to take the shot, because you will get the briefcase, like the wrapped up thing, whatever he gave him, TK and the ginger all in one shot, which will give you 1000 PP for one camera shot, and that is the achievement. And so you can get it real easy, very first level with the camera. Just wait till they're at that spot and just go ahead and take a shot of them, and you'll get the achievement. So that's all I really got to say. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like the video if it helped you out, and subscribe if you want to see more.